28th June 2025 morning shift question paper. 28th June 2025 morning shift question paper. Higher education. Higher education related question number 11 to question number 15. Question number 11 says, as per NEP 2020 document, National Research Foundation will be governed by. So here National Research Foundation, no, obviously when we think of Council of Ministers from state and center, no, they cannot govern this because this is purely relating to education, research, academics and development of that. So state ministers or central ministers, they are not going to govern, or they have never said that we are going to govern karke. Next, committee of experts from UGC members. Here we will be having a kind of dilemma, but here the NRF is to function independently from bodies like UGC and AICT. So they don't want UGC to involve in NRF. Okay. So next, rotating board of governors consisting the best researchers and innovators across the field. This is the right answer. Here they want, as per the NEP 2020, NRF will be governed by a rotating board because they want flexibility, expertise and transparency here. Okay, that's why they are bringing top researchers, academicians and innovators from India and abroad. Okay, so this is the answer. Next, board of governors from Department of Science and Technology, no, because they don't want to keep research only to science and technology, all the field. This is multidisciplinary, right? So that's why it's important for keeping all field members and the best researcher and innovators. Next, question number 12 here. Which ancient university is located in present day Odisha and was prominent center of Buddhist? Nadia is wrong. Pushpagiri is wrong. So here we'll be confused about Nalanda and Vikramashila, right? So here, Pushpagiri, Nadia is wrong. Answer is Pushpagiri. Okay, Nalanda is located in Bihar. Although it was major Buddhist university, it is not in Odisha. It is not in Odisha. Nalanda is not in Odisha. I forgot Odisha, then I thought Odisha. Nalanda is in Bihar. Okay. Vikramashila is also in Bihar. So Pushpagiri is in Odisha. We should know that. Vikramashila, Nalanda, Bihar. Pushpagiri University is located in present day Odisha. Next, question number 13 here. Chronologically arrange the following organization in order of their year of establishment. So Niti Aayog, we know that after 2014 election, BJP won. They replaced Planning Commission as Niti Aayog. So it is a replacement of Planning Commission. Replacement of Planning Commission. I hope that you can see what I am writing on the screen. Next, Planning Commission was established in 1950. After India got independence, they introduced first major central body of India in 1950. UGC, we know that 1956. Actually, it was formed in 1953. If you have to remember this, UGC was formed in 1953, but it becomes statutory body in 1956. So we usually say UGC 1956, like that we have remember. Okay. Usually they don't ask when it is formed, but usually whenever they give UGC, we just think of 1956 only. Okay. Next, Indian Council of Social Science Research, ICSSR, it is in 1969. So here arrange the following. So smallest to latest, oldest to latest we should see. Planning Commission, B, and we know last is A, first is B, last is A. So we know that this 3 cannot be the answer, fourth one is the answer. So this is how we quickly solve in the examination. Next, question number 14. Choose the correct statement about MOOC, Massive Online Open Courses. Blackboard was formed in 1999 and became a public company in 2004. This is correct. Blackboard is a company. Blackboard Inc. was founded in 1997 to 1999 range. It became a public company in 2004. Okay. Connectivism and connected knowledge was the first course to be called MOOC. Yes, this is also true. The first MOOC was offered in 2008 by George Siemens and Stephen Downey, titled Connectivism and Connective Knowledge. So that ಆ ರೀತಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಸಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕೋರ್ಸಿನ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಜಾರ್ಜ್ ಸಿಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೀಫನ್ ಡೌನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು 2008 ಮೂಕನ್ನು ಆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಫಸ್ಟು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್. ಈಗ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ಸೇ, ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇದು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟೀಫನ್ ಡೌನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಯಿಂಡ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೂಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 2012 ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. In 2012, Stephen Downes distinguished between CMOOCs ನೋಡಿ, CMOOCs ಅಂದರೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ XMOOCs ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಮೂಕ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸಲ್ಲೇ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಗೆಲ್ಲೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೀವಾಗ NETನಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಓದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಓದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟು, ಹೈಪೋಥಿಸಿಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪೀಪಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ವೀಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಏನು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು we succeed when we compare to others who are writing the same examination. Okay, next D, FutureLearn was formed by UK Open University in December 2012. Yes, this is also true. FutureLearn was launched in December 2012 by UK Open University. Next, Open to Study was formed by Open University USA in 2013. This is wrong. This was launched in 2013 but not by Open University USA. It was launched by Open University Australia. USA alla, Australia. So this is a wrong statement. So here A, B, C and D are the right statements, but ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದು ದಟ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ABCDನೇ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಎ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ತಪ್ಪಿರೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 3 ಹಿಯರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 15. ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್. Education Commission and Chairman. University Education Commission was the chairman for that University Education Commission, which was established in 1948-49 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆದಂಥದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಸ್ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣನ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 3. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 3 ಹೇಗಿಲ್ವೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ರಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ 1952-53. ಮೊದಲೇರ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು. ದಿಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಗೆ 4. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಕಮಿಷನ್. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ 1992. ಥಾಮಸ್ ರೇಲ್. ಡಿ, ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್, ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ 2005. ಸ್ಯಾಮ್ ಪಿಟ್ರೋಡಾ ವಾಸ್ ದ chairman for that. So ಇಷ್ಟು higher education related questions. Thank you so much.